Like that.
Into right center field, base hit in the gap. Bonifacio is probably going to score now. It gets to the wall. Sanchez scores, Bonifacio scores, and Gaby ends up at third base. And the Marlins cut the lead in half.
Well, that's huge, and that's a great at bat. If you just go back to that first AB. He stayed right there. He didn't try to do too much. Didn't think three-run homer. Got a hanging slider. Stayed back on it. Drilled it into right center.
Our Gunther Volkswagen drive of the game.
And then a misplay by Dominic Brown. He's going to be charged with an error, letting the ball get by him and go all the way to the wall.